First question I'll answer is how effective communication can impact the success of an organization. Effective communication can help by making sure that all employees know what they are doing and how to get them done. I may communicate my experience. When there is good communication, it makes my job a lot easier and no one does the same task twice. The book talks about management on page 14 and how they must communicate or the company may become obsolete. The second question I'll answer is how technology has impacted organizational communication, both positively and negatively. I think that it affected it positively by allowing for them to communicate faster when you're not on an in-person job. It has impacted it negatively by allowing your job the ability to harass you about anything they want outside of work. The third question I'll answer is how leaders can communicate or use communication to build trust and foster a positive organizational culture. Leaders can do this by showing their appreciation towards their coworkers and being respectful at all times. On page 222, the book talks about an organization using messages to show they do not have the funds that employees thought they did. Using communication, they built their trust by showing their funds.